In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for an account on Bankwest. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bankwest.com.au and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Bankwest website. Now from the homepage, you will see the Ways to Bank option. Go ahead and click on this and you will be taken through the different methods in which you can start your banking. If you wish to create a new account, you will find the information within Bank and Save. You can choose the kind of bank that you wish to create by clicking on the Accounts option. Now you will see the various different kinds of accounts that you can open up. Just click on the Learn More option underneath the kind of account that you're interested in. After choosing your preferred account, click on the Apply Now button and then choose whether you are an existing customer or you're applying for a new one. After clicking on the appropriate button, you will be asked to enter your personal information, which includes your name, your address, your phone number, your email address, and various other details. After you have filled up these forms, you can proceed forward with setting up your preferred credentials. Once you have set up your username and your password, and also linked your email address and phone number, you will receive an activation link within your email. After clicking on this link, your account will be signed up, and now you will be able to use these newly set credentials in order to log in to your account that you have just created. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up for an account on Bankwest. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.